An old adage says, man's best friend is a dog. But are dogs really there for people, or people are there for dogs? This is the story of a man that rescued abused dogs. Many have criticized him for staying with the dogs at a university campus, but this did not stop him from expressing his love for animals.
They're starting to criticize me, but I didn't want to stay with the dog. I just helped him, things that I'll always love to do in my life.
These dogs have been the center of controversy between students and also the authorities.
The director, I heard she's looking for me because I'm keeping dogs. They're just like those donkeys roaming around this complex and those cattle. I lost my girlfriend. Maybe she didn't like the way I love animals that much. But I'm okay with the dogs. I managed to gain the loyalty of 2 canines. I've been rescuing animals. Even when I was doing my attachment last year in Mashimo, I've been rescuing cats and other dogs.
Oh guys, someone answered my animals, especially dogs, because we wanted a chat about dogs. I chose send my Pixaki name, even my profile Pixaki Pavake, I used to check on them. I don't know their name. He's a pet guy. He's got a connection name, something like that.
Despite all sorts of criticism leveled against Augustine Munzara, students at Mashawa campus soon to be all cohabitating with the domestic animals. This is a cause for concern. The university must engage the community and resolve this situation.
'Cause I rescued him that day, or did he rescue me? All we needed was to